This is a video on how to replace a touchscreen on a Nissan Frontier pickup and some other cars. Make sure your radio is made by Panasonic. Okay, so first of all, you're going to want to remove the radio brackets. And then you're going to have a screw over here. There's going to be one here. I already took them off. There's going to be one here. Another screw over here. I'm going fast, but you can always pause the video and stuff. And you want to remove these brackets. This screw, this one, and this one. And then you're going to have already removed the screw from right here. Make sure you remove that one and this one. So after you do all that, you have to remove these two screws, and then just lift up these tabs right here. You want to make sure when you do it slowly. Somebody tried to replace this screen, but he couldn't, so he sent me the radio. Now I am replacing it. So just pull it out slowly. And you're gonna want to remove this. You want to, on this one, you want to push up. You want to remove all these screws right here. Pull out the knob. And after you pull out the knob, this should come right off. Be careful because you have some plugs behind here. See, here already removed this part right here. This is how it should have been. So after you remove all that, in order to remove the touchscreen from this part, you're going to want to heat it up. You don't have to, and then just stick a knife in and take this part off. So you're going to want to take this part and you want to bend these little things down. You'll see them on the sides. Because the new touchscreen, it's not the exact perfect size. There we go. You can leave the top ones on. It's up to you. After it's just like that, you want to take some double-sided tape, put it around the metal part. Okay, so now we got the tape on. So the touchscreen you're going to get, it's not going to be the exact same one. This is the original one. This is going to be the aftermarket one. Don't worry, the cable's not in the same spot, but it's long enough to reach. So remove the double-sided tape. Some of the screens have plastic, some don't. Make sure when you put it on that this part will be just like that. So it's going to go on just like this. Since the cable is not like the same size, you want to plug it in first and then put the screen on top of the LCD. Just like so. Put that in just like that. Put your screws back on. And don't forget to put this plug back on. Now it's time to put this thing back on and you're pretty much all set. Just be careful when you slide this back on about the ribbon cable. A lot of times I'll take a piece of tape so I don't cut it when I put it back on. Yes, it has happened. And don't forget to put your ribbon cables back on. And she's done. Any questions, please contact C&H Car Stereo. There'll be a link on the bottom. It will send you straight to my eBay account to purchase the screen. Any questions, feel free to send me a message. We carry touchscreens for almost all cars. Just be careful when you put it back in. It has like this mosquitoes keep biting me. Give me the wrong. Oh man. I hate repairing stuff after somebody else tried to repair it and couldn't repair it. Especially somebody that says he knows how to do it. I sold the screen to some guy. He took it to some shop, and some shop said, it's not the same ribbon cable, it's not going to fit. I'm like, yeah, right. Watch me make it fit. Well, that's pretty much about it, man. I will show you that it's working in just a minute. And here's the touchscreen working just as new. No problems at all. Thank you.